That's the problem, I think, of the staff. That's what they're worried about. Tsaka si Direk Loren, sabi niya, Shawi, you judge fairly.
Diba?
Kasi pusong mahon eh.
Knowing you,
No, but now I've learned my lesson. Nasunog na, napaso na.
so, what can you say about dun sa observations? I'm sure hindi ka na pumapatol sa social media like the way you did before.
I
Diba?
don't read na.
Ay,
Parang
don't
sabi
read
ko, Diyos ko, nakasurvive akong 2 dekada sa showbiz nang wala naman yung social media, na sumikat naman ako. Bakit ba ako nagsisiksik ng social media? Wag na lang. Facebook I enjoy, but I haven't really posted anything in a few months now.
Good for you. Hindi ka na
Yes.
patola, queen.
No, kasi hindi ako sanay sa binabastos ako. So pag binastos ako, gusto ko sapakin. So hindi na, okay na ako ngayon. Kalmado na uli.
Kasi one of the observations is sinasabi na, bakit pumayag si Sharon na kapalit na lang siya ni Sarah? What can you say about that?
Kapalit na lang ni Sarah. No, I don't think that's a fair statement. First of all, it happens in the business every once in a while that a good artist decides to do other projects, and then naturally somebody else has to take her place. And in this case, I don't think kung sino-sino lang si Sarah. Sarah knows exactly what she's doing. She's a great singer and a performer, and I admire her. And the mere fact na umalis yung bata, hindi ibig sabihin na parang, sige, ikaw na lang yung parang, anong tawag dyan? Parang panakip ng putas. Kasi, hindi rin kukuha ang staff at ang bosses ng The Voice Kids at The Voice ng kung sino lang. So, since marami na akong na-coach dun sa Star Power, marami na akong na-coach hanggang sa pagpapapayat, lahat na ng mga ganyan, at matagal na ako sa showbiz, I consider it an honor to be part of this show. And I love Sarah. There should not be a problem. That, the girl should be allowed to, oh my God, pursue the interests that are really in her heart now, because she has worked so hard for the people in her life that she loves, and as well as her personal happiness. So I am very happy for Sarah. And I'm very proud to be part of the show. Hindi basta-basta show ito, at hindi basta-basta rin ang kukuning kapalit. And I'm very much aware of that. So I have no problem with it. Wala akong insecurity sa katawan. Binder-bindat na ako.
Tapos